Ruben,
Why haven't you
let's
tried it?
talk. Let's talk.
No, I'm talking to you.
Ruben, we're not going down this road.
No,
Let's talk.
No. Listen, talk from there, I talk
I
to you.
need you to put the knives down.
No, I'm telling you right now, how can I hear you tonight?
What's that?
I can't. Unless I get close to you.
No, I cannot have this conversation with you with those knives.
If you're not willing to leave, I have to attack. You're giving me no choice.
Hey, Ruben, we don't want to do that. Is there any other option?
There's no other option.
Drop them!
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Why do we use regular bullets like I asked?
Ruben, come on, bud. Drop the
Use
knife, bro.
bullets. Use bullets.
Hands up in the air for us.
No, listen to me. Listen, use bullets because if you don't, I'm gonna get there and kill you. Ruben, throw the knife down. No, I'm not. Listen, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. I'm gonna catch those people.
Got the ball, got the ball!
Got it!